If you have been watching the SUV market for the last decade, you know one name has ruled it all: the Hyundai Creta. It has treated every single rival like an afterthought, like they do not even exist. But Nissan just dropped something that is built to tear down that entire hierarchy in one single move. Meet the all-new Nissan Tekton. This is an aggressive mini Armada, styled directly after the legendary Nissan Patrol. On paper, it looks like a high-tech, turbo-powered bargain that should make every competitor sweat immediately. But here is the real catch. Behind that muscle-bound front grille lies a hidden engineering secret that could either make this the deal of the decade or completely destroy Nissan's big comeback. I am going to reveal that exact hidden truth at the very end, along with real-world performance numbers that Nissan is not printing in their brochures. So do not click away, because the last 2 minutes of this video are going to change everything you thought about this car. Now look at this design carefully. Nissan did not come here to play polite games. While most crossovers look like rounded plastic appliances, the Tekton wears its Patrol heritage like armor. Up front, you get bold, full-width chrome accents, a double C-skid plate, and aggressive 5-chamber LED headlights that look like they belong on a $100,000 off-roader. From the side, sculpted fenders and 18-inch alloy wheels give it a commanding street presence. Around the back, a connected full-width LED tail lamp completes that mini flagship look perfectly. Underneath all that bold bodywork sits a high-strength frame built with 62% ultra-high-strength steel, which has already earned it a solid 5-star Bharat NCAP safety rating. So this thing is not just about looks, it is built like a tank. Now step inside, and the transformation becomes even crazier. Nissan completely ditched cheap plastics for a driver-focused, tri-tone leatherette dashboard. You get a double D-cut steering wheel, a 10-inch digital cluster, and a matching touchscreen with built-in Google services. Add ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a massive panoramic sunroof, and this cabin starts feeling like a luxury sanctuary rather than a budget crossover. I want to pause here for just a second, because if you are someone who loves deep dives into the absolute newest cars hitting the market before anyone else covers them, you need to hit that subscribe button right now and drop a quick like. It takes just 1 second, but it keeps you way ahead of the entire auto industry. Trust me, you do not want to miss what is coming next. Now let us talk about what actually happens when you smash the gas pedal. Nissan offers 2 turbocharged petrol engines. The base option is a punchy 1-liter turbo 3-cylinder that produces 100 horsepower, and it is built for maximum fuel efficiency in daily traffic. But the real monster hiding under the hood is the T280 engine, a 1.3-liter direct-injection turbo 4-cylinder that pumps out a roaring 163 horsepower and 280 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a lightning-fast 6-speed dual-clutch transmission and fly-by-wire shifting, this compact beast blasts from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 10 seconds. That is more than enough overtaking power to leave standard naturally aspirated rivals completely glued to the pavement behind you. Safety and technology are equally stacked on this machine. 6 airbags come standard across all variants, alongside a 360-degree around-view camera, electronic stability control, and full Level 2 ADAS, which includes blind spot warnings, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The Tekton is fast, it is practical, it is highly safe, and it is loaded with features that are usually locked behind high-end luxury price tags. So the question is, why is not everyone rushing to put down a deposit right now? Well, here is that crucial secret I promised you at the start. Underneath that legendary Patrol design language, the Tekton actually sits on the CMF-B platform, which is shared with the Renault Duster. Now, while that platform offers incredible rough-road durability, Nissan made a very strategic decision. To keep the starting price dirt cheap, the Tekton is strictly front-wheel drive at launch. Despite all those rugged off-road Patrol looks, it lacks true mechanical 4-wheel drive hardware, which makes it a soft roader and not a rock crawler. And on top of that, if you pick that top-spec 163 horsepower dual-clutch engine, you can expect a slight hit on urban mileage compared to a boring CVT. So you have to decide what matters more to you, straight-line performance or fuel efficiency in the city. Now here is my verdict. Starting at roughly $11,000 and topping out around $19,000, the Nissan Tekton delivers an insane ratio of luxury style, safety, and raw turbo power for the price. It undercuts the Creta on features per dollar, it beats it on performance, and it definitely wins on road presence. But the lack of four-wheel drive might be a deal breaker for some of you, and I completely get that. Now I genuinely want to hear from you. Would you buy this mini Patrol over the Hyundai Creta, or does the absence of real four-wheel drive completely kill the deal for you? Drop your honest opinion in the comments below. I read every single one of them and I will reply as well. And here's the thing about you. If you have made it all the way to the end of this video, that tells me you are not an average viewer. You are someone who wants the full story, who wants the hidden truth, who does not settle for surface-level information. That is exactly the kind of person I make these videos for. The subscribe button is sitting right there, but I want you to press it only if you genuinely want insider automotive breakdowns delivered to you before anyone else gets them. If you do not subscribe, I will assume this content was not valuable enough for you. But if you do, I promise you I will bring even bigger, even more exclusive content in the next video. One click rewards all the effort I put into making these videos, and my guarantee to you is that I will never disappoint you. Become part of this community because honestly, average people do not belong here. Thanks for sticking around, thanks for watching with full attention, and I will see you in the very next breakdown. Take care.